Welcome back to the Bay Grab Bar podcast. Today, we are so fortunate to have one of my favorite physical therapists with us, Marcy Silverberg.
I don't know what comes up when I'm in, so I worked in all the different settings. So when I'm in the rehab setting, you're preparing the patient to go home. So the first time I do my interview with a patient or talk to them, I'm asking them like the big questions, which is, are there stairs to get into your home? Do you live in a 1-level home or do you live in a 2-level home? And if it's a 2-level home, where is your bedroom? That's the question. Because I'm going to be working with them on their gross motor skills and their walking. So if this is someone that has trouble walking, they're going to be much more comfortable staying on the first level or safer. But to do that, there needs to be a bedroom on that level and there needs to be a bathroom on that level. So I'm asking about that situation. I'm asking about the specifics about the bathroom because that's when safety situations come up. So can they access the bathroom? Are they going to walk in or are they going to be in a wheelchair? Because if it's a wheelchair, now we have to talk about is the wheelchair going to fit into the bathroom? How are they going to sit on the toilet? Do they have the strength to get on and off the toilet? Or do they need equipment over the toilet? And then how are they going to bathe? Do they have a tub? Do they have a walk-in shower? And all of this in relation to how the client is moving. So if they're needing a lot of help moving, then we're going to have to really delve deep into like how are they going to bathe. But if this is someone that moves really well and they can go up and down the stairs, then it's going to be a lot easier.
I get it.
Yeah.
And kind of juxtaposing the PT and the OT, the physical therapist and the occupational therapist, how would a PT look at a home assessment differently than an occupational therapist?
We're looking at a lot of the same things. When we do a home assessment, PT and OT work really well together on that. So I imagine the OTs, they're also looking at the toilet and the equipment for the toilet and the bathing. And then the physical therapist is looking at the same thing. Now, like for the transfer into the, for bathing, I do what's called a dry transfer. So the patient will have their clothes on and I'll practice getting them into the shower. So say it's a tub and they have to practice balancing on one leg and stepping the other leg over. I wanted them to show me that they could be really stable with that, because if they can't, then I would, maybe they need a piece of equipment that goes over, and we would practice that to get them more comfortable with it, but practice it with clothes on.